Hey, peace family, and welcome back to another episode of Ask Jay. All right, it's me, my cell phone, and the plan, and you and our questions. Let's get rolling. So this is where you can ask me anything about real estate, business, entrepreneurship, life, whatever. Let's get into it though. I got some great questions you guys sent in. What's a way for a first-time investor to acquire a 30-unit apartment complex? You can, right? You literally can. As a first-time investor, do it, but you're likely to get your head blown off. You gotta align with a partner, a serious mentor, or a serious coach. It's like asking, I wanna play football, it's my first time out, can I just go join a collegiate team or can I go practice with the NFL? Like, you can, but you have no skills, you have no knowledge base, you don't, like, there's too many things for you to learn, and I think we gotta start just being realistic. I'm not saying don't do it. If you do it, you gotta have a strategic partner who knows the business and knows the industry, or you're gonna get your head blown off, period. Can I purchase a property in ATL while living in Cali, paying the mortgage? 100%. The mortgage companies will take your money all day, every day. You can buy property in any state, living anywhere. It's your property. It's your mortgage, it's your loan, it's your house. Just make your payments. Let's see. I'm in prison, but I want to learn. I already have a corporation set up and I'm building its credit. Can you help me? I can. The biggest thing for you to learn, the corporation and the credit is cool. That can get you access to capital, but you then have to learn with the capital that I get from my corporation, from banks, from credit cards, from credit lines, how do I turn that capital over to make greater money for me than what my money is owed to my credit line or my banks? So you gotta learn a strong flip game and short-term real estate game. So there's two ways you're gonna make money short-term. One, you're gonna broker deals, either through wholesale transactions, double closings, or assignments, or you are gonna buy, fix, and flip, or just buy cheap and resell and make your money in between, or buy land, subdivide it, and sell the individual lots for more than you paid for the initial land, right? Those are some quick little tips on how you can make quick money that can supersede your credit card payments or your credit lines. I bought my house at 2% interest rate. Would it be beneficial for me to take equity on my house, being that the interest rate is so low? I would not refinance unless you had a great plan past that. I wouldn't refinance, because refinance means a reloan. It means a whole new loan. You could take out a home equity line of credit that would keep your 2% interest rate on your main mortgage, but then you get a second mortgage, a HELOC, that would be, you would pull the equity out of, and that would be a higher rate, but it wouldn't affect your 2% rate. And let's see, last good one. Can you personally help me make my first real estate deal? I personally only can if you personally read my books, get my mentorship, or take our trainings. You have to invest in you, and you have to meet us some other way. I put out too much information and had too many successful students who have never met me a day in their life, but who just followed my trainings and have bought duplexes, triplexes, wholesaled 100 units, all kind of crazy numbers and stats and facts and all that. You just gotta do the work. No one's gonna do this work for you. When you ask to be a real estate investor, you're asking to be a big boy and girl. You're saying, I wanna be an entrepreneur, I wanna be a landlord, I wanna be the lord of the land. Think about it, you wanna be a lord. You're not gonna be a lord and you out here only want people to do for you. That's a tenant. A lord is someone that's willing to go boss up and do for themselves. And so what I do is I teach people how to fish so they can be the lord of their land and do for self. Anyway, thank you guys for tapping in for this episode of Ask Jay. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, leave your comments, and click the link below in this video to get our trainings. Most affordable, accessible, and relatable trainings in the industry. I'll see you there.